Guess what? They want your neighborhood friendly Hoosier pond guy to build their dreams one boulder at a time. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Krys Yacks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, hey, I am in Highland, Indiana. I came out here today on a consultation with a lovely couple. Guess what? They want your neighborhood friendly Hoosier pond guy to build their dreams one boulder at a time. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around and show you guys what I painted on the ground for them, and they are absolutely excited to get this going. You guys see a lot of painted orange here. I know it probably doesn't make sense. They've had this area for a long time and they've always thought about what they wanted to do with it. She got on YouTube, found my channel, absolutely fell in love with the work that we do at Aquascapes of Michiana. My personality, my energy, my passion, creativeness, all that kind of stuff. And just absolutely had to have me out here to draw her up a little something. So we've got a nice 10 by 13. We're gonna go 2 feet deep. We've got our shelves right here. We've got our inner shelf right there where that stone, that stepping stone right there, that's gonna be our fish cave. We got our skimmer box is gonna go somewhere in this area. I kind of put it off into this corner, but I think I might put that a little bit over a little bit more. We have actually got 2 waterfalls on this thing. So obviously our bio falls is going to end up right here in this area. First drop is going to be pointing right towards their kitchen sink, which is right there in that window, and towards the garage. It's where her husband loves to, work on cars, and that's kind of his shop area. So we're definitely going to have that first drop from the bio falls pointing that way right here. Then we're going to bring it around town, and then obviously we've got their seating area. They got a nice above ground pool right here, and a very nice deck right here, and we're going to bring that around and we're going to drop that right into our pond, so that way all of this gets a great view of that waterfall right there. Obviously we're going to keep a nice 3-foot wide path right in this area so they can get back here and get to things. And we'll put in a feeding rock right here in this corner for the fish, all that kind of stuff. But the other cool thing, coolest thing, they actually went to Aqualand the other weekend, and they were at the retail store in the display area, and it was the display where you actually walked up and the waterfall was off to the right, and you actually walked over the stream and it looked like a crack in between the 2 pieces of stone right there and inside their display center. So they actually want me to create that right here. So we're actually going to put a Ponus waterfall spillway right back there where you see that concrete stone right there. And we're actually going to create that same thing from Aqualand right here and then drop it into our pond right there. So going to be some great planting areas for some lilies right in this area, right over there on that side. Like I said, we're going to have a fish cave here. These are where our aeration heads are going to go. One here, one there. We got lights. We got 1 light there, 2 lights there, 3 lights right there. We're gonna have waterfall up light right there, waterfall up light right there, and we'll have another waterfall up light back there in that corner. Great project I got on the ground for them. They are absolutely ecstatic. They love it. They want to know if I can start tomorrow. Unfortunately, I got to get all the stuff ordered for it. But I should have most of this stuff at the shop already, ready to go, and we're gonna get this thing priced up for them and get them right there on that schedule. This is probably gonna be our last project for the 2021 season. Let's do this. All right, so it is lunchtime on day number 1 of actually digging. Yesterday, like I said, we just did prep, got all our stuff in here and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, here we go. Here's a hole. This is the inner. So this is our 2-foot straight drop right here, and then we're gonna shelf this out right here. And right now, it's lunchtime. And I tell you what, I'll admit it, the weight of my heart is through my stomach. I'm that guy. So this client figured that out because, you know, like I said, she's a huge YouTube fan. She's watched all our YouTube videos, liked them, commented, shared them, all that kind of stuff. Huge fan. Yeah, she made us lunch. How's that lunch? Go. How's that lunch?
Delicious.
Delicious. So we got Sloppy Joe's here. Yeah, I'm that guy. I love to be fed. If you want to make me happy, feed me. I am that guy. So that's why my wife's family is Amish, and she still has all of those great family Amish recipes. So I'm gonna eat lunch, and we're gonna get back at it. See ya. Hey guys, what's going on? Well, it is the end of basically day number 2 as far as building goes. We've been here 3 days. Like I said, day 1 was just prep, getting everything here because we are traveling a little bit further than normal on this project, about an hour and 20 minutes away from the shop. We, as you guys can see right here behind me, we got stuff rocked in. We got the pond for the most part. We got the pond rocked in. We're just setting our transitions up to our 2 streams, getting the flapping in the streamliner and stuff like that. But let me go ahead and show you guys, turn you around and show you guys exactly what we got done. So we got our skimmer box set put in. We got our autofill right here in the back. We're actually gonna have 2 pumps in here. This is an Aquascape 1000 skimmer, so we can actually flow 10,000 gallons. So we're gonna have 5,000 gallons flowing up to this stream, up to there, right about where that box is. And that's where our biofalls is going to be. And then we got another one flowing up, and we're going to have our pondless waterfall spillway setting about right here, pointing up to the kitchen. I've already started setting my waterfall right here. We've got all of our rocks in. We got a little bit more hiding to do on our fish cave right there. We got another one right there. We got a little bit more finishing of hiding the face of our skimmer box. All in all, we got this nice. They had 2 massive rocks, this one right here and this one right there, that they really wanted me to set, that actually was in their landscape, and they just wanted me to use it because they're big, bulky rocks, and they didn't want them. So that was actually the first one we set, and then we set that one. And the cool thing about that is actually going to be a double framer. So the stream is actually going to end right there coming into the pond, and then right here next to this one, that is where that one's going to be. And that's actually going to be the framer for the inside of that stream and the inside of this stream right here going up that way. Got a lot done in a short amount of time. We've been fighting rain and bad weather and stuff like that. To get this amount done, I'm actually pretty happy. I've actually got 2 really new guys. This is actually probably the third project Eric has been on, and our other guy that we just hired on, this is literally his first experience. There is a little bit of a learning curve as far as that goes. I'm doing a lot of stuff by myself, kinda, and you know, they're getting me stuff and they're fixing things and all those types of things. So I had a bug right on the screen. So until we can get them trained a little bit more fluid, as far as that goes, running machinery, setting rocks properly and stuff like that, you know, not training, actually, you know, doing that stuff, things are going to be a little bit slower, which we're okay with. I'm okay with. I'd rather train right, you know, and go slower. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. That's everything. That, you know, that's a motto that I live by as far as building water features. Not a problem. So if you guys are wondering, why aren't you done yet? Aquascape Inc. would have had this done in a day. It doesn't really work that way when you've only got 3 guys and one of them's brand freaking new, and the second one, this is his first season. So as well as they are doing, and showing me that they are competent, still got a long way to go. Once again, doing a great job here. Absolutely love it. So like I said, spillway is going to be going right here, and we're going to point it right to the kitchen, and it's going to just flow right into there. That's going to be our nice little drop into the pond right there. And then our biofalls is right here. And then, like I said before, we're going to do the Aqualand special. Coming right through here, probably bring it out this way, and then drop it this way, and then boom. That's going to be a double framer. And then what we're actually going to do is we'll bring this up, this gravel up, and we'll bib this behind it. We'll bib behind all of this as well. We'll bring gravel up behind everything. We'll bib all of this, so that way water goes over exactly where we want it to go. We're going to be doing fill and bib. I don't know if that's what it's really called, but that's what I'm calling it. So we're gonna do fill and bib technique rather than backfilling with soil the whole way. So we got a whole bunch of rain coming in tomorrow. Like it's total washout. So we're not even gonna be here tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys. See you guys later.